but unable to fly. So she was brought to Taronga Zoo, where after doing rehabilitation and training, we were able to get her flying again. And I think one of the best parts about my job is being able to give a bird like Gina her wings back. Happy that they're all gone away, I think. Is that correct? There's no rats at bird show? Did anyone see a rat at bird show? Let's talk after show. You know, being for the wild is about making a difference and trying to make a difference in the lives of many animals, not only here in the zoo, but in the wild. But there's lots of animals that we help in our care, like, and you find yourself a meal. Did you get it? Not sure, come around this way. You took a video, excellent choice. You can put it on photos. And you can get a couple more photos of Dragon. You got it? Okay, might need to go back, excellent. Click away, beautiful. Now if you decide to share some of your photos, we would love to see them. And if you share them and hashtag them for the wild, we can actually see them as well. Thank you so much for your help. And thank you, Dragon. You know, day and night, owls like Dragon
War is sitting next to the
are
lake.
restoring the balance by
think so.
keeping down rodent populations.
Oh, actually, I'm not
Now,
sure.
rats do cause a lot
Yeah,
of
I think
problems
so.
to many animals. They even take... If this was a real emu egg, which is not, she would then make a little hole like she has then, and then utilize her beak in getting inside that context. Because if the egg was to break, she would actually lose half of the context on the ground. One more. You're nearly in, but you need to rock. We did say it's an instinct. You can see how possessive she is of that egg. Now in the wild, emu eggs are guarded by the male. So the female lays an egg, the male guards them and looks after them until the chicks hatch. So it's when the male walks away that there might be one egg left over. That is when black-breasted buzzards will get working. So it's quite valuable because there is a really, really good meal to be had in there. But that's a really hard egg, so we might see if we can give her a hint. Slammer, do you want to lick off your... No, you're taking your rock and your egg. Still not in? Have another go. Now, why don't I make it a bit easier for you? Let's see if we can sort of get her attention away. Hello? We did say it's instinctive drive and it's quite strong. And you know, the first time we actually gave her an egg and a rock, she knew exactly what to do. It's something that they are born with. Oh, nearly in. Why don't I make it a little bit? Yay! You know, we tend to associate tool use with humans and other primates, so it's quite exciting to see her reach her goal. Perhaps we have more in common with birds than what we first thought.
Hey, Winnie, Winnie. Winnie, stand here. I'll take photo with you. Come.
Bag is cheap.
Looking for the food. Oh, where's gone?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Keeper Steve. Welcome to Taronga's Sea Theatre. All of